Hello and welcome to my student. Today's lectures we have start the new chapters like alcohols. In the chapters now we have see the structures of alcohols, IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, and some of these preparation of alcohols and reactions with alcohol. So these parts one by one we have see are here. Firstly, you know that alcohols are it having the OH as the functional group which is present in the molecules or the compounds are named as alcohols. Like the general formula of alcohols are ROH, and these are the aliphatic or this alkenylic, allylic or any other group which is attached to OH are named as the alcohols. Now we are going to discuss some important structures of these alcohols, like this is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, benzyl alcohol, it is a butanol. It is also a types of alcohol. So this is some examples we have see are here the examples of alcohols. Now next point we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclatures of that alcohols. The rules like IUPAC, International Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to this, some of the rules are there to give the IUPAC name of alcohols. Now first rules are there to select longest chain containing the OH group which is attached to the carbon. This is the first rule, means firstly select the longest chain having the OH group. Second, in alcohols name is given like in alkane, parent name of alkane, this E which is replaced by OL, like alkanols, OL. So this E replaced by OL, alkanol. Third point or third rules are this: the number is start from the OH is attached to this carbon. OH attached to the carbon. So number is start from this carbon, it having the OH is attached. Fourth rule, the locant X, the locant position of, to indicate the position of the hydroxyl group before the suffix O, before suffix OL. Fifth rule, if they have the two OH group which is attached to the chain, that times the name was given as dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohols, like the name as diols. Next rule, if more than one OH group is attached to the chain, the word can be used as the di, tri, tetra, etc. So such a type of word can be used in this given the IUPAC name for this alcohol. By using this rule, we can given the IUPAC name for some examples. For examples, right? This is a alcohol. So number start from which carbon? The OH is attached to this carbon. So number 1, 2. What is the name of parent alkane? Ethane, right? Ethane. And what is the rule of given the IUPAC? E replaced by OL, but indicate the locant before suffix OL. So ethane 1 ol. 1 ol. Other examples, now we have CR here. This is examples. So number start from this carbon 1, this is 2, 3 and 4 carbons. So how many carbons? 4. So parent name is a butane, right? Butane. And therefore this butane is replaced by OL, but indicate the position 1 OL, butane 1 ol, because one position having the OH group, therefore 1 ol. Next example we have taken like this. Okay, to select the longest chain of alkane, this like. So number start from which carbons? Not these carbons. So number is like this 1, 2 and 3. So what is the name? Propane. Parent name is propane. So E replaced by 2 ols. Second position having a OH group. So 2 ol. Other examples, now we have CR here, like so what is the name, or how will you give given the name for the structures. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Right? So name is given like this. The substituent are theirs, and hence, according to IUPAC nomenclatures, the name of substituent indicate before the parent name of alkanes, and therefore the correct name of the structures is, right, third position having the methyl group, so 3-methyl, and then name of parent alkane is pentane, and according to IUPAC rules, this is replaced by third position 3-all. This is the correct name. 3-methyl pentane 3-all. Now we have take other examples like this is one of the examples. And what is the isomer? Isomer is this. Right? If both compounds are isomer with each other because they have the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. This OH group is a primary and this OH group is a secondary. So how will you given the name? This is 1, 2 and 3. So propane, right? Direct name is the propane. So this E replaced by 1 on propanol, 1 propanol, or propane 1 on, right? Propane 1 on, and these structures name is a different 1, 2 and 3. So name of parent alkane is propane, and this E of the alkane which is replaced by OL, but before the suffix OL locate the position, which one? Second, therefore 2 position having the OL. So propane 2-all, propane 1-all. This is the name for the structures. Other examples now we have see are here. This is the one of the examples. Now these 2 examples we have given the IUPAC nomenclatures for these compounds using the IUPAC rules. Firstly, these structures we observe that the 2 different type of substituent are there. Which one? One of these bromo and second is a methyl. So alphabetically now we have observed bromo is first and then methyl. So this name of the substituent indicate before the name of parent alkanes, and therefore write the structures name is. Firstly we have the number like this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3, of parent alkane is pentane. 5 carbons. So name is a pentane. And according to IUPAC rules, this E replaced by OL. But before suffix the OL, we can indicate the locant of this OH. So this locant is 1. And then the name of OL. So this is the correct name, IUPAC name for these structures. 3 bromo, 2 methyl, pentane, 1 all. Similarly, other examples. Now we have given the name for the structures is. How will you give the name? Amino is first, and then next chloro. So number is given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Right? So given the IUPAC name as like 4 amino. Right? 4 amino, 2 chloro. Then name of parent alkane is pentane. So this pentane E replaced by OL. But before this OL, the locant, the position of this OH is 1 OL, 1 all. So 4 amino, 2 chloro, pentane on all. This is a correct name for the structures. Now we are going to discuss if more than one OH group is present in the chain, that time we have given the IUPAC name. So how will you given this name? By using the word like di, tri, tetra, or the so on. For examples, okay. Now we have given the name by using the IUPAC rules. Firstly, we can given the name of alkanes, and then the name indicate the position, right? So how many carbons are there? 1, 2 carbons. So name of parent alkane is ethane, right? So write the name of alkane, ethane, and then indicate the position of OH, 1 and 2. So 1, 2. Diol, 2 times of OL, so diol. So this is a correct name for the structures. Similarly, what is the name? The number is start like this: 1, 2, and 3. So 3 carbons are there, hence the name of parent alkane is propane, right? propane, and then indicate the position, right? 1, 2, 3. Triol. So this is a correct name. Then number is given like this: 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Right? So what is the name? One of the substituents are here at the second positions, and according to IUPAC, the name of the substituents indicate before the prefix of parental case, and therefore the correct name is 2-methyl. Then the name of alkanes, which is 1,2-methyl butane, 1,3-diol, 2-methyl butane, because 4 carbons, so butane, 1,3-diol. This is the correct name for the structures, as like the 2 or 3 hydroxy group which is attached to this the carbon chain having a different types of alcohols. Now we have seen the cyclic alcohol given the IUPAC name. Cyclic alcohols. In cyclic alcohols, the name can be given using the prefix cyclo. Using the name its prefix cyclo, and second rule is that if the OH is attached to a cyclic ring, indicate the position. Indicate position of OH on ring. Right? Now we have take the examples like this. So what we are into the cyclo, right? How many carbons are there? 6 carbons. So hexane, cyclohexane, right? And according to IUPAC, this E replaced by OA. So this is the name of cyclic alcohol, cyclohexanol. Similarly, other examples we have taken like this. Okay. Then if substituent is attached to the ring, that times the indicate the position. The number is start from the OH group is attached to the ring. So this is number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the name? 3-bromo, right? 3-bromo. Cyclo. 3-bromo cyclo pentanol. This is the correct name for these structures. Next examples also we have CRGS like this: OH, Br, and then C2H5. Okay, so you have given the IUPAC for these structures are like before given the name, firstly you have given the numbering. The numbering is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So 4 position having the ethyl group. So 4-ethyl, but according to alphabetically, which is first? Bromine or ethyl? Bromo is first, right? So 3-bromo, 4-ethyl, cyclohexanol. This is the correct name for the structures. Okay.